What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Jayla Joy here. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. So we are in a rush. I will explain where we're going once we hop in the car, but today's fragrance, Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. Y'all, I cannot wait to wear this. Ooh. So let me put some on, grab my shoes, and I'll catch you. What's up, y'all? So we are here downtown Seattle. Me and my boo are about to go have dinner. This is a continuation of your girl's birthday. Anyways, continuation of my birthday. You guys will see where we are going. Y'all like my makeup? I did a little like natural look. Girl, I have to drive. Fun fact, I absolutely hate driving downtown. I actually don't like driving in general, but downtown, no. Anyways, I'll catch y'all once we get there. We're almost there. Then once we wait for this slow ass train to come by, we can turn and we'll be right there.
Blame it on the losers, got you feeling loose. Blame it on the drunk, got you in the zone. Blame it on the alcohol, blame it on the she said she usually don't, but I know that she front. It's hard to know what she want, but she don't want to seem like so easy. I hear you saying what you won't do, but you know what probably gon' do what you've been feeling deep inside. Don't let it out now. Girl, what you drinking? Don't let it sink in. Here for the weekend, thinking we can see what we can be if we press fast forward. Just one more round and you're down, I know it. Fill another cup up, feeling on your butt. What? You don't even care. I was unaware. I run you was before my bus said, my bus said.
What's up, y'all? I stay wearing a hood 9 times out of 10. Actually, no, maybe like 7 times out of 10. If I'm wearing a hood, this hair ain't done, slick back, nothing. But anyways, just got off of work a few hours ago. Traffic was terrible, like it has been for the last month every Saturday, because they're fixing the freeway. I don't understand why they can't do that shit at night, but whatever. We're about to get us some dinner, some takeout. Now I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna get. I try to save like me eating out on the weekends, and so now I'm like, it's between Chick-fil-A, which I don't think I'm in the mood for Chick-fil-A. So no, not Chick-fil-A, Chipotle or Thai food, which I had Thai food last week and it was bomb, and I haven't been able to stop thinking about it. So I don't know, we'll see where the wind takes us. I don't want to show y'all this painting. Ooh, I don't want to show y'all this painting because it's not a good picture of me and my mom. We look real tired, and my grandpa painted it for us, which thankful for him, but I don't like the way I look. And y'all, check out my Crocs. I think I've showed the vlog before my Crocs, but I don't usually wear these Crocs because they're like my newest pair, and they're my favorite pair too. So you wear Crocs with the fur in them, they attract like hair does, everything, lint. So once you start wearing for a while, the fur starts to like wear out. If you have Crocs with fur in them, then you know. So no need to explain. But I'll catch y'all in the car. Y'all, look at my Crocs. Bag secured and crumble secure. This lighting's a little bad. Hopefully it's not too bad. But anyways, this girl at Crumble tried to play me in my face, so I was like, can I get this cheesecake cookie without the raspberry filling? Because that raspberry, I don't like no type of filling, like no type of filling. I don't like filled donuts, like any of that jelly stuff. No, too sweet. I told her, I said, can I get it without the filling? She gonna say, oh, we already have some made, we can't make them. I'm like, you can't give me one of those that y'all making right there? Like, come on now, don't play me in my face. And then like one of the girls, like, they looked back at one of their coworkers and was like, yeah, can we do that? And she was like, yeah, we can, just something, don't take pictures of it. Of course, corporate's gonna complain, some BS. I'm like, bro, I don't care, I just want my cookie, like, simple. Just doing too much. So, but we got our cookie after I had to act like a little difficult, which I don't like doing that. I've already dealt with too many difficult people when I've had to work retail, food, whatever. So it's like when I have to be that way, it just irks me because I don't like doing it. But anyways, we on our way home so we can enjoy our food. All right, y'all. So this is how it looks. Good morning, y'all. So today is Sunday, August 21st, and your girl went to bed around like 2:30, and y'all, I've been in and out of my sleep and woke up started getting up out of the bed at like 12. So last night knocked me out. Like, I never sleep in that late, but I was just like, I was drunk. I think I had like 5-6 shots. I'm about to edit some. I'm about to edit some because I haven't edited in a very long time, and all I've been doing is recording. So I'm gonna put out like a vlog either today or tomorrow. I'm heating up my leftovers, so that's gonna be like my first little snack because it's not too much, and then that holds me over until after I work out. Then I'm gonna just figure out what I want to eat. I wanted to talk to y'all about this thing I got from Amazon. It's called chlorophyll. This is how it looks. Okay, if you guys don't know what chlorophyll is, it's basically like a liquid herb supplement, and put it in your water. So I got like a halfway full water bottle, and I think it said on the directions you're supposed to put like 15 drops. Never done that. I usually put like 7 or 8. One day I'll do 15 drops, but honestly it would have to be a lot more water that I'm drinking if I did 15 drops. I don't know, I'm working my way up. It's only been like week 2 or 3 that I've been taking this, and I've been taking it like a few times a week. I don't want to take it every day because it makes me go pee a lot because I'm already drinking a lot of water. So yeah, but anyways, let me tell y'all the benefits. So it helps with the immune system, eliminating fungus in your body. It detoxes your blood. It also just detoxes you in general because definitely have to use the bathroom. In your intestines, gets bad odor. So like if you're somebody that uses natural deodorant, then this will definitely go neck and neck, because switching to natural deodorant is a process and not something I'm finna do. But so yeah, it gets rid of bad odor, drying the body, prevents cancer. It also helps with weight loss, and it also like helps with your skin. That's what really got me wanting to do it. We're just taking this, seeing how it goes. I guess I'll update y'all maybe in like the next couple of weeks to tell you guys. But the taste, let me put y'all up. The taste, it doesn't like, it has like a real minty taste, but it really do not taste that bad. Like, and my friend told me that, and I'm like, please, it probably tastes bad because it looks, when I show y'all the way like I dropped this stuff in it, it looks crazy, but really like the taste is not bad at all. I don't even need to chase it with anything. Like, it's not bad at all. I think I'm gonna put like 7 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll do 8. Y'all see that? Literally. And then I just shake it up. And yeah, I'm just gonna drink this. What's up, y'all? So today is Monday. I worked from 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then I went to the gym, and now we're here doing some skincare because I've noticed that, you know, since I've been sweating a lot from working out, like I need to start like really taking better care of my skin, because all that sweat, like even though I wash my face, it still builds up, or I'm not able to wash my face all that good, even though I wash it twice a day. So anyways, I put on this mask. I've showed this mask before on my channel. It's by Body Shop. So we're going to do that. Oh, what's up, y'all? So don't mind my hair. I always say that when my hair look crazy. Of course, you know, when you're in the comfort of your home, you don't care, okay? But I'm about to put in a bun because we are headed to Target. Today is Friday. Just got off of work, and while I was at work, I was watching this girl's shower routine, and she was using some things that I want to try, and they look like, you know, when you look at something and it looks like it smells good. Yeah, so there was a couple things she was using that I want to try. And then also I just ran out of deodorant and about to run out of toothpaste, so it gives us even more of a reason to go to Target. And I haven't been in Target in a while. I don't do my grocery shopping there or anything like that. It's more just like hygiene shopping, or if they got some good candles. That's really the only reason why I go there. So I'm gonna do some his hair, put a sweatshirt on, and I'll catch y'all there. So we back. Let's see what we got. First of all, I was trying to figure out if I was gonna get something like frozen that I could cook here when I got home, but I had a frozen pizza that I haven't eaten, and I don't need to spend more money on food. I got food at home. So all this stuff. Oh, I also got some ice cream, and I got this flavor called milk and cookies by Ben & Jerry's, and I don't ever see that flavor, so when I do see it, I'm grabbing it, period. Diet or not, we're grabbing it. So first I got some more makeup. These are like beauty blenders, but these are called makeup blenders by Sonia Kashka. Best sponges ever, period. Like, and these were like 2 for $7, but for one of them it's like $5. And y'all, beauty blenders are $20. These get fluffier, they're softer. Like, tap in and you will see what I'm talking about. So I got some Dove exfoliating, some things I already showed you guys. Dove exfoliating body polish. I bought this before. Smells amazing. Got me some erasers because, like I've said before, we get waxes on Miss Ma'am, but we shave our legs and our armpits. Got me some new deodorant. This deodorant is the best deodorant that works for me, because baby, when I tell you I've tried Secret, I've tried the powder deodorant, and when I tell you sis wasn't smelling good, like, I'm just like, I can't be doing this trial and error with deodorant. Like, I'm way too old for this. Stick with what I know. I got me some toothpaste, Colgate, never go wrong with him. I got me this Dove beauty bar because I've heard that, like, if you wash your face with this, my grandma told me this, but I ain't listening to her, but I've heard that, like, if you use this for your face, you wash your face with it, it actually clears up your skin, which like you see, I don't really have, what is it, I don't have like really acne or anything like that, but nobody's skin is perfect, and if it can like clear up a couple dark spots I got, I'm all for it. And it's only like a few dollars, so if I could boot my other face wash that is a lot more than a few dollars, I'm all for it. I got this Olay body conditioner. I've already tried their body wash before, loved it, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a hit. I still have the Nivea body conditioner, and I need to finish that one. So once I finish that one, I'm gonna tap into this one. And then the last thing I got was this Naturum Soother Sensitive Skin body wash. I've heard YouTubers talk about this, and I've heard, I guess it be going on TikTok. I'm not really on TikTok like that, but if something's trending, I want to know the tea. So gently cleanses, smooths, and calms irritated and or sensitive skin, which in some areas I do have sensitive skin, so I just wanted to try the sensitive one before I go tapping into the other ones, just to see if it's like really good. So I'm about to make my food, catch a vibe, watch a show, and I'll catch y'all later. Actually, y'all, I think I'm gonna go ahead and edit, just because I'm in an editing mood and I'm trying to be consistent here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and end this vlog. So yeah, next vlog or next video, this hair will be done for anybody that wants to look at me crazy. This one, don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Your girl's trying to be consistent and grow her YouTube, so every subscriber is very appreciated. But yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.